Like seriously. I have a pair of Hey guys, this is Heather here. This is my merch store. Don't forget guys that the merch store is available now. We have all different kinds of tank tops and v-necks and hoodies and premium tees. We have 2 different styles. We have Heather's Family Vlogs with 3, as you can see. And then we have the ones with my logo. If you guys want, ring, what's this called? Grip ring for the back of your phone, t-shirts, tank tops. Oops, sorry. We got some shorts. We got stickers. We got men's tank tops, premium tees. Check it out now, y'all. Merch store is open. Check it out. Check it out. Link is on, the about, or it is on under YouTube. Check it out, y'all. Hey guys, Heather here. I want to show you guys the water. Can y'all see it? I'm gonna try to take a walk in a little while. Look how pretty it is, so y'all can see it. Alright guys, this is where I'm at right here. But I'm gonna give my sister the phone so she can show you me. I want to show you guys what I look like. Hold on.
How are you gonna get down there though?
I'm not getting down there. I'm just gonna take I just want to see how much weight I so far lost. Okay. I lost a lot of weight, y'all. 100 pounds. It looks good, right? Except the hernia. But other than that, I'm okay. But I'm going to show you the waterfall, y'all. Come on, let's go. Let me go. You want to walk with me? You want to say hi? I won't show you. You can just say hi. Hi. That's my sister Susie. She don't like to be on video, y'all.
You can go right here.
Oh, I can. But I got to get it from over there, too. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Heather going through. Oh, wow. Look, guys. You don't see this in New York City. It's so pretty, look. Look at the lily pads. Oh, look, a frog. I don't know if y'all can see the frogs, but let's go over there so we can see that. Yeah, so this is where my sister lives at. In front of these beautiful woods / little mega fall. Yo, look at poison sumac. Look, blue fire hydrants. I've never seen blue fire hydrants. Oh guys, I'm in so much pain. My arm can't be lifted that much, but this is where she lives. It's so pretty over here. Look. Oh my gosh. Now that is beautiful, y'all. Oh. God is gorgeous. I would love to live over here. Oh, look at this. I'm just gonna walk over here. Stay right there. Oh, the air, y'all. Oh, God is so pretty. Look. Look at them. It's so pretty. The other day when I got here, it wasn't doing this. It wasn't flowing at all, y'all. But look, I'm gonna go right here. Look. My God, this is so beautiful. I love it. I want to sit right there. Oh, guys, this is so pretty. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that. It's like, like you're in there. It's beautiful. Today's my last day here, y'all. So I wanted to show you guys the waterfall. Oh, look at the fish. There's fish in there. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look, Mom, it's a spider. Well, you see, oh shit, it's beautiful. I love it. I really hope you all enjoyed my videos this week. It's so pretty. I love this. This is so pretty. Cross. My sister said to go across the street so you can see more water. Oh, look, right here. So this is where the water goes. That's where the water goes. It looks so pretty, y'all. It goes all the way down there. Oh, my feet been so swollen. My arms hurt like a bat out of hell, y'all. Look how pretty it is. Oh, I love it over here. It's so beautiful. I love it. It's quiet. It's peaceful. There's no problems. Ah, fresh air. I hope y'all really, really enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you made it this far. Tell your family and your friends to like, subscribe, share. Follow me literally on everything. Remember, hit that notification bell when you want to be notified when Heather puts up her brand new videos. I love each and every one of you. Peace and God bless you. Bye.